In this tutorial, you will learn how to load an external planting map to do variety tracking with the InCommand Go display. Variety tracking with the InCommand Go display allows the display to designate and filter yield information on the go based on the variety. To load a variety map, start by tapping on Harvest. Verify the correct combine configuration is selected and tap the next arrow. Select the correct growing season, grower, farm, and field, and tap the next arrow. This will bring up the product selection screen. The crop type of the product that is selected on the screen must match the crop type in the variety tracking Ag setup file. For this example, we will go ahead and use our corn product and tap the next arrow. This will bring up our region and variety tracking screen. Tap Import Variety Map. There are 3 locations that we can import from: a USB drive, Agfinity, or the downloaded tab. For this example, we will use Agfinity. Tap the correct file from the list. If you'd like to save the file to the display to be able to load the file later without an active internet connection, tap the Download button. The file will then show up under the Downloaded tab. Tap the next arrow. Find the correct grower, farm, and field. Once the dataset is highlighted, a preview of the variety map should show up on the right. Tap the green check. Tap the green check acknowledging the successful import. This will bring you back to the region and variety tracking screen with automatic variety tracking checked. Also, tap Automatic Region Changing box. This will automatically log each variety in a different region to easily differentiate. Tap the green check. Your variety map will now be overlaid on the map screen in the background, and yield data will be logged by the appropriate variety based on your location. Now you will be able to load an external planting map to do variety tracking with the InCommand Go display. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.